This broker is the only broker that I fully trust. Now, click on register. Select your country of residence. Now you put in your best email address and a good safe password that you won't forget, and then click the box. After you click the box, you click on register. You have successfully created your account. The next step is to verify your email. Go directly to your Gmail and refresh it, and you will see HFM account activation. Click on it. Now, click on verify email. After verifying your email address using the link sent to your Gmail, now you will see an option to use your mobile app or browser. Just click on the browser. The next step is to complete your profile before you can get started. Under name, take note. Use the names exactly on your ID card or any means of identification that you will be using. If possible, use your complete 3 names. This is to avoid withdrawal and approval of account issues. Now, choose your gender, select your country of birth, add your phone number, fill in the date of birth on your passport or ID card. Very important, please. Select the best currency for you. Select your state and city. Now, in this option here, how did you hear about us? Just select anything. I confirm that I'm not a US resident or citizen for tax purposes. It's already ticked, so leave it like that. Now, tick the box and click on continue. Now for the account type, just come over here and select zero spread free account. Now automatically your account has been created and your logins has been sent to your Gmail. Now go to your Gmail and click here. Now after that, you will see your zero spread account details. With your trading ID and password, you can now log in on MT5. Now go to your trading platform, which is the MT5 or MT4. For this, I'm using MT5. Click on this menu option here and click manage account. And click on this plus icon and search for HFM. You will see different options. Click this one. Now for the server, choose HFM Markets Global / Life 1 and paste in your account number and your trader's password. And click on login. And then you are done. The next step is how you are going to deposit your money into the account. Now let's go to HFM mobile app or browser, whichever one you are using. I'm going to be using the mobile app. So when you open the mobile app, click on the menu option. You are going to click right here on deposit. We have 3 options of deposit: regular bank payments, e-payments, and cryptocurrencies. You are going to pick the best option for yourself and deposit the amount that you wish. Over here, we are going to deposit $500. Go ahead and click on deposit. I will make the deposit and cut the video.